We are calling the government to do everything they can in order to release the prisoners, the kidnapped, the hostages, to do whatever they can to exchange prisoners.
So are you appealing the kidnapped hostages, Hamas terrorists to release to them?
I am appealing my government. I'm not speaking to the Hamas. I have no communication with the Hamas. I have communication via my government. So I'm calling my government to do everything they can, everything in their power in order to release the people that were kidnapped. There is a proposal on the table. There is a proposal on the table to exchange the elderly, the children, the women, and from what we hear, the government is not, completely declining, completely refusing to discuss it. And we call on them to do what they owe the citizens of Israel and bring back the people as soon as possible before it's too late.
We're protesting here because women and children and civilians who are taken hostage should be released. They are not part of this war, and it should be done as soon as possible.